Alright, so tell us exactly what we're doing.
Programming the truck to the holy shit tune.
Holy shit tune?
The holy shit tune.
Alright, what's the... Hello, ladies.
Hey! You got my light bar?
That's Kenneth's light bar.
Thank you.
Hey, white man. What Asian man's taking your light bar?
Don't worry, I'll shoot him.
We're gonna see if we can put it in the grill.
Oh, I'm gonna make it behind. I'm gonna make it fit behind the grill.
Or maybe on the bumper. That's right.
Shit pissed me off. I'm mounting that bitch on the back of the bed.
Right
Talk about
here.
being able to see it
Right here.
Talk about being able to see it. No, he don't. He said a lot of times you don't have to do the update. They're already updated.
Oh. But we have to do it.
Man, Stacy's mom had it going on.
Alright, it's loading street. Active fuel management should be cut off. Tire size is gonna be changed.
No more.
Shift points will change.
No more.
What?
No more V4.
Oh, V4.
Now it's gonna be
Why were you holding up 6 fingers a second ago?
V.
V4.
That's why I was confused.
Okay.
I was like, this.
6 fingers.
I was like, this man don't know how to like.
Take your shoes off, use your toes.
3 plus 2 is. Did you saw that? Yeah, you saw that? You never saw it?
Yeah.
So this, huh?
You're an idiot. 80. Street mode.
Oh, entering Mexico.
Hola! Hola! ¿Cómo estás? We're about to enter our senders. Hola!
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
All the Mexicans.
I think this bitch might even be a little faster now.
Might be faster, is that what
I think so.
Because we're in the street mode, isn't it?
Yeah, we're in street. We ain't went back to performance yet.
Let's see, bro. Please don't go back.
So it hasn't gone into 4-cylinder mode yet.
No, not yet.
I don't think it's going to. Because if it did, it should have done it already.
Well, I'm trying to keep the speed consecutive now.
It usually kicks in when you're like what, just cruising.
Like, you can feel it vibrating and clicking where it's changing stuff.
You can hear it through on the
You hear it click.
Bluetooth, yeah.
All right, so tell us exactly what we're doing.
Programming the truck to the holy shit tune.
Holy shit tune.
The holy shit tune.
All right, what's the purpose of us tuning this truck?
More power. Getting rid of the active fuel management.
And why do we want to get rid of the active fuel management though?
Because it sucks.
Okay.
It causes your truck to burn oil. Constantly switching back from 4 cylinders to 8 cylinders.
But I mean, what exactly did it do to this truck?
It was burning oil, causing the spark plugs to get burnt out.
That was bad.
All right. It sounds like a race truck, a race car.
My bag is like touching the bag and
Sounds like a race car. Doesn't sound like a truck.
now. Doesn't it feel like it's stronger than yesterday?
Yeah.
It's going to be.
Right?
They cut
I can
active
feel
fuel
it.
management off.
Yeah, it kind of is, man. Turning. Oh shit, too. That was funny. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, too. That screams. Shit, too. Oh shit.
try this in U.S., kids. Only in Mexico. Mexico.
Get approval from governor.
Governor. We got rid of the governor.
And don't do it in the middle of town.
the governor.
Don't do it in the middle of town.
At 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Unless you have connections and won't go to jail.
Yeah.
In Mexico.
Or in Mexico.
Governor.
In Mexico.
You don't want to go to Mexican jail.
You don't want to go to Mexican jail.
Just stick cocaine up your butt.
Governor. See? Watch. This seat doesn't shake. This shake.
Sneak peek.
Yeah. If it's Monday, bring it at 8.
Do you want me to pick you up? I'm off Monday. I work this weekend.
I'm off Monday too.
Somebody just gotta
Off Monday.
take you to work.
So, where's the shocks?
That's what it feels like.
Do you know how to open up a box, sir? Oh, there we go. Dang. It's got stickers and everything already.
Yours doesn't?
Mine doesn't have stickers. What the F? I forgot a little piece right there. Wow. We do. What if it gets messed up?
If it gets messed up,
Yeah.
John will never know. It's still going on. Yep, all the parts are in there.
You sure?
I'm positive.
You didn't look.
Your control arms, who did they ship with? It might come on a... It might come on an 18-wheeler.
Go.
Yeah!
Jackie Chan. Abandoned building. Truck shots. It's real sketchy. That's real sketchy. That's real sketchy. Dude, it'd be badass to be able to park in here.
You can get up in here.
Right.
Squeeze through.
Yeah.
We should say, dude, I want to throw like a fat ass like raging.
Parkour.
That shit come break.
Wait, film me. Parkour. Okay. Parkour.
Here goes the whole building.
Yeah.
Parkour! Parkour!
Yes.
Parkour!
Yeah.
Point B is the hospital.
Parkour!
See a bunch of skateboarders just come here. They build a little half.
Oh, that's sick.
That's what I was just looking at. I was like, oh, somebody rode skateboard.
Right there.
I didn't get that one.
Right here. That's what that little tabletop thing is.
Oh, okay.
Like this right here was board.
Yeah.
This concrete.
Wait, so they built it?
No, this was already here. I don't think they built that.
They already had rail right here. Small rail.
Yeah.
Dang.
I remember I built this kind when I was in like 2nd grade.
Oh, the ramp's still there. One of them.
Oh. Little entrance.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
You can get them
I'll-
right here.
My truck wouldn't fit.
You'd fit. We'd have to bring
Yeah.
some shit and actually cut the branches back. But the road's right now on the other side of the road. It comes around.
That would be a pretty cool place to just take a picture here.
Right.
Right? So when you're taking a picture, all of a sudden this shit comes down. Parkour!
You come down here late at night. There's a bunch of homeless people here.
You what?
Come down here late at night. There's a bunch of homeless people. They may have actually built that. There's a bunch of prisons.
Yeah.
Yeah, you come down here late at night. There's a bunch of homeless people in here.
So they have a party in here? Probably don't. Parkour
Dude, I
party.
wanna, dude, you don't know how bad. I went through like a fat ass rager down here one night.
Picture with
Fun out with it.
all the homeless people. They bring all the drugs. They bring all the crack.
You do a good spin. Oh, look, prison shank. Prison shank. Somebody got shanked today.
Ooh.
Somebody got prison shank. Left in the wrong cot.
Ooh. No trespassing.
No trespassing.
No trespassing.
I think I dropped out of high school. I can't read.
Off to our second location to take some dope pictures for the gram. If you aren't following us already, make sure to follow John and Kenneth. And this is probably the last time we're gonna be taking pictures with that setup on John's truck. So that is it for today's video. We were supposed to go to a second location, but we ended up just going home, and I actually just stopped by the gym to work out. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It was just a short video. It was kind of like spontaneous thing, so I was like, let me just make a video, because I know you guys like to come along with just basically everything I do that involves my truck. So please make sure to subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys are interested in this kind of stuff. Also, if you want the 42-inch light bar, the one that looks just like the one I gave to Kenneth, make sure to share this video with, I would say, about 5 of your friends, and give it a thumbs up, and then put your Instagram name below. I will pick somebody either from this video or possibly from the comment section in the next video. So if you want, leave a comment below in this video, and then leave a comment in the next video for, I guess, a higher chance of getting that 42-inch light bar.